Hi guys, this is Mike with DCS Tuning, and today I'm going to show you why it's important to have a belly pan installed on your car. As you can see, the belly pan on this B5 Passat has been missing for quite some time. Usually, the belly pan's misplaced, broken, or just not installed after a service. On turbo models, over time, the intercooler can be exposed to debris and accumulate dirt. The serpentine belt, along with the pulleys, were subjected to the elements, and these exposed AC lines could be easily damaged by debris flying under the car. As seen here in the back, the belly pan bracket's bent, generally indicating the pan was ripped off or broken. The only thing holding your belly pan in place are a few screws and body clips. This makes for a very simple install. In addition to protecting you from road debris, this belly pan is designed to smooth out the flow underneath the front of the car. By reducing turbulence within your engine bay, as well as reducing drag, it'll help improve your fuel economy. Also, by channeling the air, what this belly pan does is allow better flow through your radiator and through your intercooler.
KHODROiD.com. Auto parts and accessories online shop.